Okay. I know I said we would make it at 50. What? The thunder?
No, the rain.
Ah.
Wow.
But I wanted to pick you guys up because there's a massive thunderstorm. Like, this is massive. The car! Jack!
Jack's dying.
Literally. YouTube needs to know about this.
You're so cute.
Dude, it literally looks like...
Jesus.
It literally looks like fog.
Oh, I hope
Oh,
Dad's windows are rolled up.
or yours.
Yeah, yo.
What? Oh, it's so cold. You guys are shaking. I'm literally shaking, guys. It's starting to pick up really hard. I don't hear thunder anymore.
That's all you hear is the damn cars.
Yes, if you guys can't see it, you can see it on the road. It's literally bouncing. Is my phone waterproof? Okay, so I can't stick it out. I'm getting a video
I
for...
should have left my clothes on.
No, everybody's gonna think you're naked.
I'm not naked. I'm just in shorts.
You mean a short and a t-shirt? Well, I mean, whatever that is. Holy. Ooh. Is she a YouTuber?
I'm a TikToker.
You're
Like,
making a
look at
TikTok.
this. Yeah. I'm telling you guys are not one.
I'm a TikToker, but a YouTuber.
Yeah,
Holy.
guys, if you hear thunder, but you guys,
This is crazy. Now you can see the little drop going like that. Like, this is crazy.
look at that.
Was that my vision, or did I see a strike over there? I don't see any lightning. Oh.
Oh!
Whoa! Whoa! I mean, I'm pretty sure that's his friends, so they could stay there. But true.
I don't think.
But wouldn't it be protection?
I don't think it's okay to be out in this weather down there.
Whoa! That was a strike. That was a. Gee. It went like a waboom. That was not from the ground. That was from the sky. Oh. Oh! Now where's the lightning? Cause I guess it goes thunder then lightning. The rain stopped. Oh no, it didn't. Like a little bit. Sprinkling. No. Raining, but whoa! That was right there. Right there.
If it gets any bigger, you're gonna go inside.
Like that?
I think inside is probably our best.
Inside.
Inside.
Yeah.